Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Talk to Us support tab inside the Up Bank failing to load, showing a blank screen, or timing out when you tap it? Here's how to get support when it won't load. First, force close the app up completely from your recent apps and then wait for a few hours and reopen it. Then navigate back to the Talk to Us tab. In most cases, it loads correctly on a fresh app session since the support chat is loaded dynamically and can fail if opened too quickly after launch. If it's still blank, go to your settings and toggle airplane mode on for 15 seconds, then turn it back off to reset your network connection completely. Since Talk to Us requires a strong, stable connection to initialize the chat session. After resetting your network, reopen the app and then try again. If the in app support still won't load, you can reach Op support directly by emailing support@op.com.au. Ops team is available 18 hours a day, 7 days a week, including weekends, which is more accessible than most Australian banks. You can also access limited accounts info at my.op.com.au in Safari while the app is having issue. So all you gotta do is first close and reopen the app, reset your network in the airplane mode, and email @up.com.au if Talk to Us still won't load. And that's it. Subscribe.